Alright, so I got this cheap Chinese impact driver. It has the 3 different adapters. You can use sockets on it. It has a chuck adapter, and then it has the hex head adapter that you can just use regular bits, driver bits. I don't think it's made for taking lug nuts on and off, but I'm gonna give it a try because I've used it on rusty nuts and bolts all over the suspension on this thing, and it works really great. So I'm gonna give her a try on some lug nuts and see what she does. All right, I'll go back here and try the back ones. All right, they're pretty rusty. Probably haven't been off in a long time. Well, that worked. Let's try one of these. Yeah, I would recommend this easily. Came with 2 batteries, a bunch of sockets, a bunch of accessories, so, and for around 80 bucks, I'd say it's well worth it. I really recommend it. All right. Just thought I'd make that video.